Hey everyone, Turtles here. Just a little video update. Salt has been erased from the arcade and I've now put it as an extension mod. So just look for any map you want. A few things you might notice. I finally have fraps, which is good. The bad news is I'm still using Windows Media Player, which is a piece of absolute garbage. And it can't even get the resolution right, so that's why there's probably black bars down the side of the screen, so I apologise for that. If you have any suggestions of actually good video editors, hopefully which are free, then feel free to give me a message for that. Damn, this is taking a long time. Come on. There we go. Just pick a random map. Here we go, burial grounds. Create with mod. Salt. That's Salt on NA. In Europe, that mod name was actually taken, so I had to use Salt mod, but you'll probably still find it if you just search for Salt. Kill. Add AI. Alright, I'll probably just edit this bit out. No one wants to see a loading screen. Okay, we're in the map now. Okay, the computer chose up here, and that means we only have one spot available, which is down here. So we just have the racial icons. I'm Terran, so I'll click Terran. Okay, quick demo of save.
Go ahead. This is crazy. SCV ready. Yep.
And quick demo of load. I can swap. So now I've swapped with the opponent. And it takes a couple of seconds. There we go. And I can also swap with them by loading as well. So load. Okay, I want to play as the Terrans. And this is loading back to the 11-second mark. Yep, everything's good. Cool. So that's all old news. What's new news? The third-party site for the build orders doesn't work, so you have to just use the inbuilt one. So let's do the best build order ever. Oh, this is all new as well. So I improved how build orders look. You can remove steps, mess around with it that way. Okay. See, it's up there. You can customize this somehow. How do you customize it? Oh wait, that's in options. Not this options. Damn. My options. Okay. Okay, this is the number of steps displayed. So you can minimize this. You can set the transparency. Get rid of all of this information. You can put so take out time, make this really minimalistic. Take out the checkbox and put in icons. Oh, and hotkeys as well actually. So that's the default hotkeys at the moment. Let's put it bottom left. Stick it my favourite place to have, oh, the build order is here. Wow, this is kind of laggy. Cool. So that's your build order there. As you build units and go through the build order, it'll scroll up. What else is new? We've got stuff in the options, such as you can set up the hotkeys. So Banshee is E, Ghost G, the Hellion is E at the moment. Terran. So we can change some of these hotkeys. So Thor. Yes, there we go. Default is T, but oh yeah, you have to click on the unit and you can type in whatever you want here. So you might have a default hotkey, say as U for Thor, but you might have a hotkey to select your factories as well. So that might be like A to select factories plus U for Thor, or I basically put it as a string, so you can put in whatever you want there. Oh yeah, control groups. If you have hotkeys for control groups, you're going to need to automatically set that up. So by default it's 1 for 1, 2 for 2, etc, etc. But some people I know will have like hotkeys 1, 2, 3, 4 as 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6, 7, 8 might be Q, W, E, R for instance. And instead of Shift they might use Alt to add to control groups. But yeah, you're going to need to set that up. Unfortunately banks are broken, and that's Blizzard's fault. There's nothing I can do about that. So if you have default hotkeys, you're going to have to set that up when you start the game, unfortunately. What else? I think this is all the same as the old stuff. Autosave is now set there, you can turn it off. Alright, I think that's all. Obviously you can restart the game whenever you want. Cool. Alright, that's a quick rundown of both new and old, so yeah. Hopefully it all works out for you. Alright, thanks. This is Turtles, and I'll catch you next time. Hey everyone, remembered what I was supposed to talk about. Importing and exporting build orders. Unfortunately, until banks get fixed, you're going to have to import and export each StarCraft session. And you can only fit in about 13, 14 steps, unfortunately, because edit boxes are also limited to 255 characters. These are both limitations that I really can't get around in any way. But it's all you can do, really. So, to export a build, there you go, that's a string. Just copy paste that into any kind of forum, or it's probably best if you save build orders to a text document as well, because then you can just import it instead of having to build it every time, which can be a pain in the ass. So I'll just show you, we've got Pulse TVZ here. So I'll just show you that in the editor. Yep, it's a very basic outline of Pulse TVZ. I'll probably have the text in the YouTube comments so that you can find it. So you can just copy and paste it in and try it. He's got 745 as a benchmark for a Medivac, so by that stage I think he's got something like 4 Hellions, a bunch of Widow Mines, a bunch of other stuff, a Viking. I couldn't fit it in the build order, unfortunately, but it's a good start. So it'll help you do this build order. I was going to show you building it, but that'll take too long, so I'm going to mess it up intentionally.
Roger.
Yep, there we go. Supply depot was built for supply under target. Messed it up. We can go Let's see, restart this. There we go, that'll give us a second chance. Okay, this time I'm pretty sure that was all I was supposed to talk about. Okay, thank you.